Coral reefs form the most biodiverse ecosystems on Earth. Yet today, rising sea temperatures caused by climate change are pushing them to the brink of bleaching crisis. We are tackling this challenge through the power of design. Coral Rescue. Connect with corals, protect them together. Led by the DLX Design Lab at the University of Tokyo's Institute of Industrial Science, Coral Rescue brings together designers, scientists, and citizens to create new approaches to coral conservation. Anyone can participate, learn through enjoyment, and take real action to protect the ocean. Working with researchers across 3 countries, Japan, Singapore, and the United States, we integrate science and design to drive meaningful change. Our activities are organized around 3 pillars: workshops, design development, and events and outreach. Workshops. In Numazu City, Shizuoka Prefecture, we conducted educational workshops where elementary school students raised Edamidori coral, an endangered coral species. Using coral rescue kits, children nurtured fragments of coral that had been physically broken off, recorded their growth, and then attached the corals they raised to specifically designed structures before returning them to the sea. In collaboration with researchers and local experts, we strictly follow the rule of returning corals to their original habitats to prevent genetic disturbance. By working closely with the specialists and community members to provide hands-on growing experiences, we enabled children to feel that they too are actively protecting the ocean. Through a mid to long-term program for high school students from the US and Japan, we offered opportunities to think about global environmental issues as personally relevant, through cross-border exchanges focused on coral cultivation and generating ideas to address bleaching. Design development. Creating new ways for people to engage with corals through design. To make corals feel accessible and learning enjoyable, we developed a range of tools. IoT Cultivation Kit, a digital tool that records and manages water temperature and coral growth data. Coral return structures, modular designs that allow units to be added as corals grow. Educational tools, stamps for learning coral species, diorama kits for exploring marine biodiversity, and coral characters created with children, all designed and implemented for use in workshops. These designs translate scientific knowledge into accessible formats, creating opportunities for people to actively engage in research. Events and outreach. We have held exhibitions and events at venues such as the Gwangju Design Biennale, Design Art Tokyo, and local aquariums, bringing the design community with environmental conservation efforts. The Coral Rescue Project has achieved the following results to date: 3 domestic and international awards and selection, featured in media outlets, international collaboration across 3 countries, 10 workshops with 160 participants, 7 lectures and 8 exhibitions/events with over 45,000 visitors. Looking ahead, Coral Rescue plans to develop installations that communicate coral research findings, design structures for coral larva settlement, and expand workshops to raise awareness about coral research. Through close collaboration between designers and researchers, we aim to discover new research questions and create systems that enable sustained public participation, making coral conservation fun and inclusive. Coral Rescue. Conserve. Together.